Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mr. Puzzle. Today I'm gonna show you something very special, and I guarantee you've never seen something like this before, and I'm sure because this is the only existing prototype of this puzzle. I called it in my title of this video the Impossible Rubik's Box, but actually this puzzle has nothing to do with the company Rubik's. It was manufactured, or this prototype was manufactured and designed by ND Puzzles, and ND Puzzles is a collaboration of two guys here from Germany, two students, and they designing twisty puzzles as a hobby. They're also running a YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/ndpuzzles. I will put you the link up here as a info card that you can find it more easy. And they contacted me via email and asked me if they could provide me a puzzle. And this is the result. So it looks amazing if you ask me, and it looks a little bit, or it's more or less, it looks like an impossible object because it has dovetails on each side, so it looks like it cannot be opened. Same as the Impossible Dovetail box I reviewed about 1 year ago, but this one has it on both sides. Since it's a prototype, there is some slight free play, so you will understand pretty fast how to slide it and open it up. That's not a trick. The trick is to find out how you can do it, because it's basically blocked. If you shake it, there's a lot of things going on here, so you can be sure there is some mechanism inside that prevents it from getting opened. And it is made out of 3D printed parts, so pretty cool. And in addition, I forgot to mention, in addition to these dovetail box features, you can also twist this puzzle like a twisty puzzle. And this is pretty cool because they joined here their passion for puzzling with their passion for twisty puzzles and designed their pretty own creation, which contains both elements. It's a pretty cool puzzle, I can tell you already. And how to open it up, I will show you after the spoiler break. When I solved this puzzle for the first time, I immediately thought about the same solution as for the Impossible Dovetail box, of course, because this is the only solution I know for these kind of puzzles. However, I started with the white side first, as you also do with the Rubik's Cube, and I started to smack it in different directions and so on, and I expected to be a magnet being here inside, and I could open it up by just smacking it. And I was successful with this idea, because it's basically on this side, on the white side, it can be opened exactly the same way as the Impossible Dovetail box. It's a small ball bearing that can drop inside here, it's connected to the magnet, and as soon as you give it a smack from the top, it will drop down here and you can slide it open. So pretty easy, but this was not possible on the yellow side. So I really tried to do it several times, and it's just not possible to slide it open. So I was a little bit, I don't know, curious how to do it, yeah, because I still could hear there's a lot of things going on inside here. And basically then after some minutes after I tried, I had an idea. Well, these guys coming from twisty puzzles, so this puzzle can be twisted, so maybe this twisting feature has something to do with the solution. And this was the right guess, so I tried to do again the same kind of solution, but with different orientations of the cube. And when you align the blue side with the red side and do the same again like this, you will be able to open it up. And how does it work? Well, there is this small plastic cylinder with a ball bearing glued to the top. This will stick here to this magnet, held in place, same as on the other side. But if the sides are not aligned properly, so not the blue and the red side here, it is not able to drop down no matter what you do. It will always remain here on the top and stick out here a little bit and lock the puzzle. And only if you align these two sides, it's able to drop down more and to open up. So pretty cool idea, I thought. And there is something in addition when I open it up, which is even more cool. A very, very cool gimmick. I really like those gimmicks, and it is basically a puzzle inside of a puzzle. Very cool idea, guys. And this one is also has something to do with dovetails, because these parts are all made with dovetails to be able to slide, and it's a combination between of a twisty puzzle and a sliding puzzle. So you just need to get all sides here in the same color. So I will just start and show it to you how it should be usually done. Let's see. Here is green. I think I will just do it in fast forward and solve this thing. Okay, here we go. So puzzle is solved. One piece is missing, of course, to be able to slide it. And also a pretty cool puzzle, and this is also 3D printed and handmade, and therefore it's working pretty good. So excellent work here by ND Puzzles. And yeah, what should I say? I really like this puzzle. It's pretty cool. Also this gimmick here, this is something that raises my overall rating a lot. And very cool puzzle. Maybe it will be available somewhere in the future in serial production. I don't know. It's interesting enough, I think, to do it. I hope you liked this episode. If yes, check out the YouTube channel of ND Puzzles. Leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, hit the bell. And you can of course also subscribe to my Facebook and Instagram channel. Until next time, keep on puzzling.